Going to do that equation reduced to a pair of linear equation into variables. There are three examples. Example number 1, example number 2, and example number 3. So if you see that in example number 3 and 2, the denominator of the first term and second term is same. So at the initial stage, the equation is not in the form of standard form of linear equation. So we reduce it in the standard form of linear equation by taking different example. So if we see the example number 1, that is 2x plus y is equal to 7x upon 3 and x plus 3y is equal to 11xy upon 3. So by the help of linear equation, these three goes from the left hand side to right hand side, same way, left hand side to right hand side, and this xy goes to division. So that is 3 into bracket 2x plus y upon x plus y, bracket over is equal to 7. We do distributive property in both the equation, so we get this equation. After cancellation, that is 6 upon y plus 3 upon x is equal to 7, and again 3 upon y plus 9 upon x is equal to 11. Still it is not in the standard form of linear equation. So we have to suppose 1 upon y is equal to a and 1 upon x is equal to b. So the equation 1 is converted in the form of, instead of 1 upon y we have to take a, that is 6a plus 3b is equal to 7, and 3a plus 9b is equal to 11. Now I am using elimination method. So here equation 3 multiply by minus 3. So equation 3 become minus 3 into 6, 18a, 3 into minus 3, that is 9b is equal to 21, and equation 4 as it is. We cancel it, so we can get that at the end of cancellation simplify. 15a is equal to minus 15a is equal to minus 10. So a, this 15 goes to in division, so that is a is equal to minus 10 upon 15. So a is equal to 2 upon 3. Instead of a, we are taking 1 upon y, and by cross multiplication method, value of y is equal to 3 upon 3. Similar way, we put the value of a in equation 4. So that is equation from equation 4 and 5. We put the value of a is 2 upon 3, that is called substitution method. That is 3 multiplied by 2 upon 3 plus 9 upon 9b is equal to 11. This 3 and 3 cancel out. So this 2 is going from left to right side. So 9b is equal to 11 minus 2. So 9b is equal to 9. So b is equal to 9 upon 9, 1. Now instead of b, we suppose that 1 upon x is equal to 1. So hence the value of x become 1. So solution, don't write down to forget. Don't forget to write down this solution. xy is equal to 1 and 3 by 2. Now, second example. That term is not at one side. So we convert it into one side by using the law of linear equation. So 3 minus 3 upon b going left hand side, and this we are taking left hand side, and this goes right hand side. That is 9 upon b going left hand side, so its sign is changed, and 7 is going right hand side, left hand side. So equation is 2 by a plus 3 upon b is equal to minus 1, and 4a minus 9b is equal to 7. Now again this equation 1 and 2 is not in the standard form of linear equation. So we convert it into linear equation by assuming 1 upon a is equal to x and 1 upon b is equal to y. So the equation 1 is converted into 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 1. That is equation number 3. And equation 2 is converted in the form of 4x minus 9y is equal to minus 7. Again this equation 3 is multiplied by 3 here. Why 3? Because of the coefficient of y has plus sign and minus sign. So already opposite sign is there, so we have to convert same coefficient by multiplying. So that is equation 3. After multiplying 3, that is 3 to the 6x plus 3 3s are 9y minus 1 into 3, that is minus 3, and equation 4 as it is. Again we cancel out. 6x plus 4 is equal to 10x and minus 10. So x is equal to minus 1. Put this value of equation 5 in equation 4. So that is 4 into minus 1. Then remaining term as it is. 4 ones are minus 4 plus 7 is equal to minus 9. Now we transpose the side. So it will be, we merge the right term, that is 3 is equal to 9y. Now applying linear equation, so 9 is in multiplication form, so it will be in division form. So y is equal to 1 upon 3. Now recall our supposition, don't leave the sum from here. We put the substitute the value of the supposition value and we have to find out original value. So instead of x we assume 1 upon n and the value of x is minus 1. So 1 upon n, at the end of simplification we are getting that a is equal to minus 1. Same thing for y is equal to 1 upon b, so 1 upon b is equal to 1 upon 3, t is equal to 3. So value of ab is equal to minus 1 and 3, you put it here, you get same value. Certain time the equation is not in the form of previous two example, so we convert it in the standard form, and see here the speciality is that the denominator of the first equation in first term and second equation in first term is same. Second term the denominator is same in first equation and second term in second equation the denominator is same. So instead of both the binomial, we have to assume that 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to a and 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to b. Put this both the value in equation 1 and 2. So due to that, the equation 1 is equal to 5a plus, here nothing, that's why b is equal to 2, and here 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. Again that is equation number 3 and 4. Now what we have to do? Substitute the value. So by this we take this, so b is equal to 2 minus 5b. Students, it's not compulsory that you do this method. Out of 4, that is graphical method, elimination method, substitution method and Cramer method, you can use any one method out of 4 after this getting the linear equation. I am using substitution method. So that is, we put this value in equation number 4. So instead of b, we have to put 2 minus 5a. This is positive, negative, negative and negative, negative, positive. After that we have to merge the like terms. So 6a plus 15a is equal to 21 and this 6 we have to transpose this side. So that is 21a is equal to 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. So a is equal to 7 upon 21. So value of a is equal to 1 upon 3. Now put this equation 6 value in equation 5. So instead of this a, we have to substitute 1 upon 3. It is unlike term, so we have to convert it into like term by taking LCM. So here this 3 is multiplied by both, that is 3 into 3. That's why it is 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. So b is equal to 1 upon 3 and a is equal to 1 upon 3. Now recall our substitution. So here instead of a, we have to substitute x minus 1 and instead of b, we have to substitute y minus 2. So y minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 3 and 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to 3. By doing cross multiplication method, we get both 3 is equal to y minus 2 Again we have to transpose the side. So 3 plus 2 is equal to y. So value of y is equal to 5. And here same thing, transposing the side by applying application of linear equation. So 3 is equal to y minus 1. So 3 plus 1 is equal to x. Therefore x is equal to 4. Students, don't forget to write down finalized answer. Hence many people doing mistake. First they find out y. So here write down value of y. But always we have to write down xy. So x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. That's the end of today's session. Thank you for watching this.